Indian authorities have released video footage showing the final moments of an international team of climbers before they were swept away in an avalanche. The team had been trying to scale Nanda Devi, one of India's tallest peaks, when they went missing in May.
Now, in the video, the 7 climbers and their guide are seen roped together while taking steps up a narrow ridge. The screen eventually goes blank. Officials suspect the snow beneath them gave way because of the climbers' weight and triggered an avalanche.
They will analyze the clip to see what went wrong with the mission. 7 bodies were recovered, but the team leader remains missing. Police have lauded those involved in the recovery mission, which was carried out entirely on foot due to the adverse conditions.